some of the business owners that we talk to and work with are coming into the world of video marketing new. And a reasonable question they ask right up front is, okay, well, what's the most important video that I have to do first? And I think there's a couple answers to that. A critical one is a welcome video for your website, right? People are going to your website on their time, not yours. You can't be there 24/7 to answer the phone or to give a presentation or to answer a question. But you can be there 24/7 on your website, even if you just have a simple welcome video. Hello, welcome to Bob's store. I'm Bob. Let me tell you about the stuff we sell, and we'd love to have you come in, right? Just a little simple introduction. Maybe you want to show your store off a little bit. If you're a professional practice, maybe you just want to give them a little simple rundown. Here's where to find out more information on the website. Give people a little tour of the website while you're talking about your business. Simple. And you really must have that. Then there's a simple salesy social introduction, right? Oh, we don't want to sell too much. Well, yes, we do, because we all like to eat. And a salesy introduction just means on social media, you want to let people know pretty succinctly and pretty quickly what you do for them. The things that you do to make their life better. So you have to really focus on the results that you create. Hi, I'm Bob from Bob's Place. We do these kinds of things for these kinds of people so they get this great result and feel really nice like this, right? Describe in briefly what you do for who, but then tell me about why they're better off having done business with you. And that's just a way to have a video online used for social media so people that are coming across you as opposed to being your contacts rapidly understand what you do and what's in it for them. And more importantly, this is a video you can use on LinkedIn, on YouTube, on Facebook to give your happy customers a little something to click like, to comment on, and most importantly, to share with their friends. So if you're going to have a video on social media, make it about the benefits that you create for your customers so your happy customers can go, yeah, they do that. Bob's Place is good. Let me click share. And they're in fact vouching for you to their friends, which is a wonderful new source of brand new customers and hot prospects.